thank you all folks. The voting as always, a couple of complaints that it was hard, stiff competition. The way we do the voting, we do it so that one person can win loads of awards. Try and do it fair for everyone. On these voting that we've just done, there's been a couple of occasions been a split vote, but they've won something else. So you can say the voting works if you come split vote first, but you've won something else in that category, you can't win 2 awards. So it's gone to the second best, but they will not know. We've gone through admin, we've decided there's no issues, everyone's happy. If we start off with the awards, ready for the first one, just double check. So we go bottom to top. So the first one is for best paintwork. This goes to Arwell. Thank you. Well deserved. Second one, best wheels. Don't know why. Embarrassed to say it. Best wheels goes to Mick.
Well done, Dad.
Is that best wheels or most expensive wheels?
Both.
Best interior. Got my name on it. Shane.
Yeah. Fully deserved, mate.
Well done, Dad.
Well done.
Best modified. Again, tough decision. A lot of nice cars in here. This one goes to Ben. Cheers, mate.
Well done, man. Thank you very much.
Well done.
I'm expecting that.
Best standard car. What was it? Goes to Craig. Second year, isn't it?
Well done, Dad.
That's not changing anything.
Well done.
That's the first load of awards. Best estate.
God.
He's not even here.
Peter.
Well, wait a minute. Phil.
Well done.
Thank you. Best hatch. Again, I think the hatch has stole the show this year. Best hatch this year goes to Arwell. Thank you.
Well done, Dad.
Best Saloon. Tommy Clubbox.
Well done.
Well done, mate.
Thank you very much.
Best club member.
And that and you, is it?
Jay Voxmad. Stop squeezing.
Legend.
Well done, Dad.
Thank you.
Well done.
Fully
So,
deserved, Jay.
we've got one award left, which is the best in show. As admin, we decided to get together and do an admin's choice award, which no one knows about. So we have got another award as an admin's choice, and this goes to Ben. decided before the awards and before the voting slip, so
YouTube
Well
content.
done. Well done.
YouTube
Well
content.
done.
Unbelievable.
Well done, Bob.
Thank you.
Well done.
The best in the show. I'm just telling you. Heavy this is. So, best in show this year goes to Mick. Thank you. So, congratulations to everyone. All the voting numbers are on there. If you want to see if you come second, third, fourth, or last,
God,
you can have
Tommy.
a look at that and decide it was done. Jay, Rigglesford and Beverley sat there and watched me do the counting votes. It was all done fair and square. We tried to do it so you can only win one award from each category. I think everyone's done well. Big hands together. Thank you all.
Someday I know he's coming back. Call on me. Someday I know he's coming back. Call on me.
You see, a genius uses his madness, and a madman uses his genius, destruct. You see, a genius uses his madness, construct, and a madman uses his genius, destruct.